What's the meaning of cranium? Cranium. Cranium.
Cranium. Cranium. The cranium is the skull, which is the bony structure that encases and protects the brain and other sensory organs. It is made up of several bones that are interconnected by sutures. The cranium provides support and protection for the brain, as well as anchoring points for muscles and facilitating movement of the head. In addition to its functional importance, the cranium also plays a cultural and symbolic role, representing the seat of thought, identity, and spirituality in many human societies throughout history.